accidentally deleted photos on your iPhone. Don't panic. Most of the time, they're not gone forever. In this video, I'll walk you through several free and easy methods to recover deleted photos on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to do to get your memories back. Why photos disappear. Before we jump into the solutions, let's understand what happens when you delete a photo. On iPhone, deleted photos usually go into a temporary recently deleted folder, where they stay for 30 days before being permanently removed. So if you act fast, recovery is simple. If 30 days have passed, don't worry, there are still ways to restore your pictures. Method 1. Recently deleted folder. The first and easiest method is the recently deleted album. Open the Photos app. Scroll down and tap Albums. Open Recently Deleted. Select the photos you want back and tap Recover. If your photos were deleted within the last 30 days, they should reappear in your main gallery immediately. Method 2. iCloud Backup. If the photo isn't in Recently Deleted, your next option is iCloud Backup. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud, Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. If it is, your photos might still be stored in iCloud. Check by visiting iCloud on a browser, logging in, and opening the Photos app there. From iCloud, you can download your missing photos back onto your device. Method 3. Restore from iTunes or Finder Backup if you regularly back up your iPhone to your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes. On Windows, select your device and choose Restore Backup. This method restores your phone to an earlier state, which can bring back lost photos. But remember, it also replaces newer data, so back up important files before restoring. Method 4. Third-party recovery apps. If none of the above worked, you can try trusted third-party tools like Phone Rescue or Dr. Phone. These apps scan your iPhone for deleted files and may help recover photos even after the 30-day window. Some features are paid, but most offer free trials so you can check if your photos are recoverable before spending money. Bonus tip. Prevent future loss to avoid losing photos again. Turn on iCloud Photos in Settings to automatically back up everything. Use Google Photos or Dropbox as an extra backup. Regularly back up your iPhone to iCloud or your computer. That way, even if you delete a photo by mistake, you'll always have a backup copy. And that's it. To recover deleted photos on iPhone, first check the recently deleted folder, then try iCloud, computer backups, or a recovery tool. One of these methods should bring your memories back. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And tell me in the comments, were you able to get your photos back? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.